Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. It's Joy. Today we are going to be dyeing my hair black because what's under here is so atrocious. Like, I don't even know how to describe it to you. Okay, let me not be that dramatic. It's bad, but it's not that bad, but I'm just ready to go back to black. My hair is like this brownish orange color right now, and I'm just ready to go back to black. And it's currently been like growing out, it's growing out, sis, it's growing out. So I just want to go back to black. So I'm gonna be using the Blonde Me by Scorched Off. I think that's the first time I've said it right. Oh my god. Okay, so this is a premium developer, and I'm going to be using 7 volume. I don't have a 10 volume. And then this is the, I have like 2 tubes. So this is the Pravana Silk that we're going to be using. So it's the Chroma Silk line. So this is the one we're going to be using. So let's get mixing. Hair looks a mess. Yes, it is going through a lot right now. Ooh. Like, I'm so excited. I feel like this is about to be a new change. It's gonna be a new chapter in my life. Cause this red hair represents my clown era. Okay? It represents me. I'm so ready to just like wash my hair, take a shower, like really give myself some self-love. Whenever you dye your hair, like, I don't know about you, but I am so ready to reinvent myself. I'm so ready to reinvent myself. I'm so ready to be a whole entire new person, a new mindset. Oh, I should have started from the back.
I'm outside in an AMG, right outside, TT, 2-turn baby girl, you know me, still with the dolls that I grew beside.
You can see I'm running out of hair dye. Like, that's how much I have left. I definitely might run out and I might have to go out and get some. I don't know how I'm gonna do that because if Cosmoprof is closed, that's just canceled, babes. Like, I don't even know. And it would be perfect because I could bribe Job into driving me there, and I don't want to drive. Okay, my hand is going to be as black as the other side of my hand because I'm not wearing gloves, and I don't know why I do this to myself every time.
I'm outside in an AMG, right outside, TT, 2-turn baby girl, you know me. Who am I? All the niggas around me, right at it die. Gotta watch the time, cause it's flying right by. I just caught a shorty off a Finsta, just the one hoodie, it's a screenshot.
We just got done. Look at it. Get into it. It's already turning black on a couple of sides. I was able to use up like all of the hair dye. Like, we had to use every single last crumb. If I have any like missed spots, which I'm pretty sure I'm going to have a couple, like, look, I'm already having missed spots in the front. I already know I'm gonna have a couple of spots that I'm missing, but I'll get that fixed at school. But I'm excited to see how it turns out. Anyway, I'm gonna let this sit for about 20 minutes and I'll be back after I wash it to show you guys what it looks like.
Way that I've been living unconventional. I'm just trying to make it to the end, you know. Certain things have started getting pissed off.
So I used the Olaplex number 8 and the Biolage Professional. So the Olaplex number 8 is like a Bond Intense Moisturizer. My hair was really dry, and this saved it. Miss Girl, she saved it. Okay, I absolutely love this moisturizer, this moisturizing mask. And then this is the Biolage Professional shampoo, and it's color safe. And obviously, because I just dyed my hair, I need a color safe shampoo. So now we're about to blow dry it. Let's get a drum roll, please. Let's do the big reveal. Oh my god. Oh my god, guys. First of all, I feel like I have no hair. Like, me from last year versus her. Can I say it's postpartum? Oh my god. But the black came out really good. I feel like my hair is just really short right now. I'm honestly this close. I'm just like this close, that close to cutting it off. Let's start blow drying it. I'm gonna go in with the KMS Moisture Repair. I've been loving these products lately. We've been using them at school. Honestly, at first when they came in, like, we're all complaining because we didn't think it was like a high-end hairline because we're using like Evo, Euphoria. I hope I'm saying that right. I think it's Euphoria. Yeah, I think so. And then we were also using, what else did we use? We still use, Weed Ad. And I think that's all that we were using, pretty much. And then they're like, oh, we're replacing the whole entire line so that it's more affordable. And we thought that this line was like invented by Walmart or something, and we were pissed. But it's actually really, really good. Like, I personally like it. I like their Moist Repair line. I think it's really good, and I think it's like really cool branding because a lot of people don't know exactly what they need, and the fact that they put like Moist Repair, focus. Someone like me who has really dry hair is gonna gravitate towards this because I know for a fact I need Moist Repair. And it also, at the bottom, it labels like if this is a starting product, styling product, or finishing product. I usually blow dry this through a ton of clients' hair. Then I'm also going to put in their Moist Repair, and this is a hydrating hair oil. Something you put in afterwards, but let's put it in. I feel like my hair needs all the moisture it could get. I'm going with my Olaplex number 6. And this is a Olaplex number 6. This is a bond smoothing serum. So this is great for just like blowouts and stuff. Let's get to blow drying. Okay, I forgot to mention I'm going in with my Revlon blow dryer. I'm gonna link it down below. This is like a paddle brush and a blow dryer combined. It literally helps me blow dry my hair in about 15 minutes, which you know is a miracle. Like, even when I didn't have such damaged hair, I was able to blow dry my hair within 15 minutes flat. Now it's even faster than that. I highly recommend this. When these first came out, they were like $38, but hype got to them, capitalism got to them, and now they're about, actually no, it wasn't even 38, it was like $30, and now they're about $40 to $50. My ponytail is so small. Okay. It honestly feels so good to just have like washed, blow dried, colored my hair. Like, I'm still gonna need to get like used to it, But now that it's blow dried, like, it's honestly not horrible. About to slick her back into a pony. About to get some food. About to eat. Probably just gonna have some leftovers. I've really been craving sushi, but I know it's not gonna hit while my nose is stuffed, so I'm not gonna do that. But let me put her into a bun. It's not gonna be a sleek bun, but whatever. I'm just chilling at home. Ooh, my forehead is foreheading. Okay. I think that the red really helped, like, not show where my forehead started. Cause, girl, not you being out like that today. Oh my god. But thank you guys. If you have made it this far, comment black if we love in the black. And if we're not liking it, comment red, because let's just see what color you guys were a fan of. But I'm on. Okay, baby just came home. Do you like the hair?
Yes.
Black or red?
I like black.
So
I haven't seen it in a while.
So you hated the red hair?
No, I didn't hate it. I just haven't seen you have black hair in a while.
Is this the best hair you think I've had?
I don't know. Let me see what you do with it.
Okay. Anyway, guys, good night. Bye.